Welcome to another session of GS Networks. In today's session, we are going to discuss multiple variable polynomial representation using linked list. That is, we are using linked list for representing a polynomial with multiple variables. Okay, so let us go with the example. A node to represent a term in multivariable polynomial is, this is the node, and it is divided into 4 parts. First represents a flag, second portion represents variable or coefficient or down pointer, and then the exponent, and the last section is next pointer. Okay, so just go through this. When we will discuss the example, it will be clear. Okay, so first section is a flag, and flag can be 0, 1 or 2. Flag is 0 when variable is present. Flag is 1. Here, if this is variable we are using, flag is 0. If down pointer variable we are using, flag is 1. And if coefficient and exponent we are using, then it is 2. Okay. See, here is an example. 9x power 5 plus 7x power 4 into y plus 10x z. So this is a multivariable polynomial and it's having the variables x, y and z. Okay. So this is the node representation and this is the flag. So let us see how it is represented. That is, first you have to represent which variable we are considering. See, we are considering x variable. Okay, so when we are considering the variable, when here the variable is there, flag is 0. Okay, so 0 x. Here only 3 sections are there for a node because this is about variable. Okay, so 0 is a flag, x variable we are considering, and then this is the next. Okay, and we came to the second, this node, and there we are representing the first term, 9x power 5. Okay, so that is only one variable is there, only x is there. Okay, and this link is regarding x variable. Okay, so what you have to write, so when we are, here no other variable, so we have to consider the coefficient and the exponent. So for coefficient and exponent, variable is 2. Sorry, not variable, flag is 2. So flag 2, coefficient 9, say this, coefficient 9 and exponent is 5. Okay, and then next pointer. Okay, hope this much is okay. That is, first you are considering the variable x. So you have written here, and then the first term, it is 9x power 5. So there are no other variable is there, only x variable is there. So we have to use the flag 2, coefficient and exponent present. Okay, 2, and then coefficient is 9 and exponent is 5. Then to the next. Okay, then we are coming to the next term. Next term is 7x power 4 y. See there we are having the variable x and y. Okay, so there comes the use of this down pointer variable 1. Okay, see 1, and then here this line is for x variable, right? This line is for x variable. Okay, so the x variable's exponent we are writing there. See, exponent. So x variable exponent is 4. Okay, so x variable exponent is over. Now what is left? 7, y is left. Okay, so for that, down pointer. See, down pointer. Okay, down pointer, and we are considering the variable y. Okay, so when variable we are representing, the flag is 0. So 0 y. So now we are writing about this y variable. Okay, so only x power 4 we have represented. Now we have the rest we are having is 7y. See this. Now no other variable is there. So x we have already mentioned. Now only y variable is there, right? So the coefficient and exponent we have to use. So 2 is the, when we are using coefficient and exponent, 2 we have to write for flag, and 7 is the coefficient, and 1 is the exponent of y, and then null, because it is finished there. Okay, that term is finished. So we have written, we have marked this null here. Okay, so once again I'll repeat, that is the second term 7x power 4y we are considering. So here two variables are there, x and y. So this is about x variable. Okay, so the details of the x you have to enter in this node, that is, and y is there. Okay, so y you have to point down, so that is y down pointer variable, and the flag is 1, and the exponent of x is 4. Now the balance, the rest is 7y, so that is y variable. Okay, so variable you have to introduce, and then 7 coefficient, and 1 is the exponent of y. Okay, now come to the third term, 10xz. Okay, there also one other one is there, z. So first you have to mention x. Okay, say this x coefficient is 1, and down variable you are using, because you are having one other variable, so down pointer variable, say this, it is coming here, and you are having the variable z. Okay, and then no other variable. Okay, so 2, flag 2, coefficient is 10, and the exponent of z is 1. Okay, and the terms have been finished here, right? So here we have writing, we are pointing null pointer. We are introducing null pointer. Okay, so hope this is okay. Now let us go to some other example. Minus 4x power 4 y square z cube plus 10x square yz square plus 7xyz plus 45. Okay, see the same node thing and the flag representation. Okay, so first you are considering the x node, so 0x. Okay, and then here you are writing the details of x exponent. Okay, so down pointer. Okay, so 1 is the flag. Now what is left? Minus 4 y square z cube. Okay, so first we are dealing with y. See, y. Okay, so then for y, again that is one more variable is there, z. Say this, for y we are writing one other down pointer variable, and that is for z, and here we have given the details of y, exponent of y. Okay, and here z. So then coefficient minus 4, and z exponent is 3. See this, minus 4 and 3. Okay, now come to the second one, 10x square y z square. Okay, so first we have to write here, that is here. This is for x. Okay, so we have to go with y and z. So first we are writing for y. Okay, details of y, here details of x, and then come down, you are writing details of z. See here 7xyz, the next term is 7xyz. Okay, again that is x coefficient, x exponent is 1, and then we are coming to y again it is 1. Okay, then from y we are coming to z, and z is exponent is 1 and coefficient is 7. Okay, you have to work it out so that it will be easy. So it is actually very simple, that is, you have to understand what is the node representation and how you have to give the flag value 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so if more than one variable is there, you have to use the down pointer. So in the straight line, first you will consider one variable, and when the next other variable will come, you have to go to the next level. Okay, and then solve. So this is a session about multiple variable representation, multiple variable polynomial representation using linked list. Okay, go through the example, you work it out and it will be easy. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.